Hi guys, it's me. And if you want to buy the SYLVOX outdoor TV with rolling stand and soundbar, the 65-inch Smart QLED built for full sun environments with a 2000 nit display and IP55 weather resistance, then please visit the link provided in the description. Outdoor TVs usually feel like a compromise. They're either not bright enough, not tough enough, or they simply don't look good. This one goes in a different direction. The moment the screen powers up, the brightness level is the first thing that stands out. 2000 nits means this display is designed to fight direct sunlight and still remain clear. It's the kind of visibility that makes outdoor viewing feel effortless, even when the sun is hitting the panel from the side or directly above. The construction feels like something built specifically for outdoor life. The IP55 rating ensures protection from splashes, heavy mist, dust, and unpredictable weather. You can leave it outdoors, and it's prepared for conditions that would easily ruin a normal indoor TV. Yet it doesn't look bulky or over-engineered. The minimalist design and clean edges give it a premium feel that blends naturally into patios, pool areas, hotel lounges, or restaurant decks. The included rolling stand is one of the most underrated parts of the package. Most outdoor TV installations lock you to a fixed spot, but this setup gives you mobility. You can roll it beside the grill for a weekend cookout, reposition it toward your seating area, or move it to a shaded corner. When the weather shifts, just roll it under cover. That flexibility gives the TV an entirely new level of convenience that most other outdoor displays simply don't offer. The outdoor-ready soundbar is another advantage. Open outdoor spaces usually cause audio to spread out and lose clarity. This soundbar is tuned to project sound more directionally so voices, music, and effects remain clear even in open air. You get stronger volume, cleaner mids, and more presence than standard TV speakers could provide. It feels built for outdoor listening without needing extra equipment. The picture quality holds up remarkably well. The QLED panel brings richer colors, deeper contrast, and a more vibrant viewing experience compared to basic LED outdoor televisions. The high brightness combined with QLED color means you don't lose saturation even when the brightness is pushed to its maximum. Sports, movies, streaming content, advertising signage, everything looks sharp and naturally vivid. As for the smart interface, it operates smoothly and loads apps quickly. There's no sluggishness that sometimes shows up in budget outdoor displays. The OS feels modern and responsive, which makes switching between apps, adjusting settings, and navigating menus simple and fast. Thermal performance is handled well too. Outdoor settings often mean dealing with heat, especially when sun exposure is constant. The internal cooling system is built to maintain stability during long hours of operation. Whether it's summer heat or cooler evenings, the TV stays functional without frame drops, dimming issues, or performance dips. This model is also practical for commercial use. Restaurants, outdoor bars, cafes, resorts, event venues, and open-air lounges can benefit from a screen this bright. It stays visible from a distance, manages outdoor noise with the soundbar, and withstands constant exposure. It's a reliable option for displaying menus, games, promotional content, or entertainment for guests. Setup is surprisingly simple. You don't need enclosures, heavy-duty mounts, or additional protection systems. Everything is built into the TV and stand. Just assemble, plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. It gives you the feeling of using an indoor smart TV, but with hardware built to survive outdoors. This model works especially well for anyone who wants a premium outdoor viewing experience without the usual complications. It's bright enough to stay visible in broad daylight. It's rugged enough to stay outdoors without worry. It's stylish enough to complement a modern patio. And with the rolling stand and soundbar, it becomes a full portable outdoor entertainment system. If you're looking to add serious display power to your backyard, pool area, business patio, or outdoor event space, this SYLVOX outdoor TV does exactly what it promises. If you want to get it for your setup, the link is in the description.